Japan is remembering the victims of the massive earthquake and tsunami that struck 10 years ago today. Private and public commemorations were held to mourn those who died. A minute's silence was observed across the country at 2:46 p.m. local time. That was the moment a magnitude 9 earthquake hit off the northeast coast on March the 11th, 2011. The tsunami that followed killed 18,000 people and triggered the worst nuclear accident since Chernobyl. A decade later, more than 40,000 people are still unable to return to their homes because of radioactive contamination. The government has spent about $300 billion to rebuild the region, but areas around the Fukushima plant remain off limits.
震災から10年が経ち、被災地の復興は着実に進展しております。地震、津波、被災地域においては、住まいの再建、復興まちづくりがおおむね完了するなど、復興の総仕上げの段階に入っています。